So I've decided that I'm going to use my iPhone to show you what is in my refrigerator and my freezer really fast. As you can see on the outside of my refrigerator, I collect magnets. That's my niece and my nephew. And so from every place that I visit, I always buy a magnet. So that's what all this stuff is. So let's open my refrigerator. And on the top shelf you can see this is what I call my chicken pie. That's what I'm going to be having for lunch for the next 2 days. So I have the servings. I have the holy guacamole that I'm going to have with it. Atkins Lift protein drinks. This drink, this is not mine. That's my father's. He left it here the last time that he was here. Sour cream that I used for a recipe. I just went grocery shopping, and so I purchased a bunch of these salads from Walmart. I love these Elevate salads. I like the Sunny Caesar because it's only like 8 grams of carbs. And I'm not showing that really well, but so I like the Sunny Caesar that's only 8 grams of carbs. And then I also like the spinach pow salad because it has the cranberries in it. Let's see if I can get that to tune in. There we go. So it has spinach, chicken, almonds, and cranberries. And this one only has 9 grams of carbs, 12 grams of protein. So I got these because I'm eating a lot of soup this week. So I have those stacked up in there. This is the rest of my mushroom shiitake detox soup. This is my dog's food. I have to make their food because they're very picky, so that's a container of it. This drawer has my cheeses and things, my Laughing Cow cheese. These are the soups that you just saw me make. I put them in the freezer first so that they can cool down before I put them in the refrigerator. I have my eggs back there because I heard that you should not store your eggs in the door because the door, when you open it, the temperature cools down too much and the eggs need to stay really cold, and they should be put in the back of the refrigerator. So that's why my eggs are back there. Half of an apple because I usually only eat 1/2 of an apple at a time because of the carbs. Down here, this is some deli roast beef, Evian water. You see this refrigerator is really dirty because I didn't plan on doing this. This Perrier water, which I didn't like, in pink grapefruit. I don't like it at all. Some apples. And this is my dog's food that I make for them. If you care, it is a dehydrated barley with vegetables and things, and I mix it up with meat, either lean turkey or ground beef. I cook it up and I put it in those little containers and I keep them in the freezer. Because my dogs are so tiny, this container will last, when it's full, it will last about a week. Okay, so the door. Oh, the door is a mess. Okay. Protein shakes. Wait, I'm not doing it. You know, this is my favorite protein shake. Iconic Protein. Some reduced fat milk. I think I needed that for a recipe. Some Premier Protein. I'm trying to get rid of the bananas and cream. It was okay, but I thought it was too sweet. It's just some peanut butter, sandwich bread. I love sandwich bread. I use it to make my tuna with. Boathouse Creamy Balsamic. These are really good dressings. You know, only 40 calories and 5 grams of carbs. I mean, fantastic. I think it's 2 tablespoons. Oh, in this other section, I'm not going to pull all these out, but you know, different salad dressings. Sprout Caesar dressing, which is okay. I didn't like it all that much. A Lighthouse dressing. I used this when I made some Asian salmon wraps. Asian salmon lettuce wraps. Yeah. This was a dressing I bought just as a treat one day because I think it's pretty high in calories. Only 3 carbs, but it's 110 calories for 2 tablespoons. Okay, what's down here? So down here, some half and half, which I haven't even opened yet. I purchased that for a recipe, but I don't know what it was for. Another protein drink. Some cocktail sauce. This was something new that I tried. This is sparkling water with a hint of pomegranate, and then it has some alcohol in it. It did not taste very good, so I didn't really like these all that much. We'll see. Maybe after surgery my taste buds will change. Oh wait, I won't be drinking alcohol for maybe 6 months to a year after surgery, so I don't know. I have to give those to somebody. The bottom shelf, just some Evian water, some more of this, sorry, I'm not doing a good job of holding this up. The Perrier sparkling grapefruit water, vodka, and another protein shake. So this is what's in my refrigerator. It usually pretty much looks like this because I'm single, so it's just me. Oh, at the top here, butter. That's not wrapped up very well. Cultured pasture butter. Yeah, I didn't wrap that up very well. Okay, so let's move to the freezer. I'll try to make this faster if I can. So in my freezer, I have these Enlightened bars. I bought this maybe 3 or 4 months ago. I don't remember what I thought about them. I have 2 left in here right now. I mean, the good thing about these bars, you know, they have 8 grams of protein, only 70 calories, and 5 grams of fiber. I think I thought they were okay, but I don't know why I didn't eat the rest of the ones in this box. The second shelf, this is my shiitake mushroom soup. That is 2 servings in this container. This is my butternut squash roasted red pepper soup. These are just frozen bags of berries. Those are blueberries back there. I used to make a lot of smoothies. In the summer I make a lot of smoothies, and then also now I have been adding berries to my protein shakes sometimes. This container back here, when I roast chicken in my crock pot, that's how I like to do my rotisserie chicken. You know, all the juices and things that are left behind, I pour them into containers, and then I use that when I go back and make my own chicken stock or bone broth. Okay, this next shelf, these are just frozen vegetables. This is corn and cauliflower. Those are frozen greens back there. Green beans, and there's kale, and there's spinach, and there's Swiss chard. That is a short rib that's back there. Basically, when I buy a whole bunch of greens and I see that they're starting to get old and I know that I'm not going to use them, I just toss them in a freezer bag. Then I throw that into smoothies or into recipes. This is a picture of the kale and fruit smoothies that I used for my detox, which is what this video was about in the first place. Oh, down here, so this is some fish, halibut, some rockfish, mango, more green beans. You can't really see. Some scallops there in the corner. This last shelf, this is food that I've made. I always freeze my extra servings. So those are down there waiting for me to eat. And this is what I just put in here, the broccoli from today, and the carrots and celery. And behind here is more fruits and vegetables. Oh shoot, another bag of broccoli. I didn't know that was in there. So whenever there's a sale on organic vegetables, I always stock up. Organic fruits and vegetables, I always stock up. Okay, down here, this is the food that I make for my dogs. These are bones that I have frozen. So when I do make my rotisserie chicken in the crock pot, or if I buy an organic rotisserie chicken, I will freeze the bones and the carcass, and I use that to make my bone stock. This is one of my favorite seafoods. This company, Love the Wild, they make several of these. It comes with the frozen fish with parchment paper and a sauce, and so you just bake it in the oven. I have pictures of that on Instagram. And just some cod. And then in the door here, you see I have some Halo Top. I have some frozen soup. This is soup that I had made last week, and I have 2 servings that I have frozen. And then this is my bone stock, bone broth that I have frozen down there at the bottom. So that is my freezer. And it's a shame that I'm out of breath just from doing contortions of trying to show you guys that. So that's it. I hope you kind of enjoyed that. This was kind of impromptu. I didn't plan on doing it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.